Here is how to remove Trojan viruses on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So first you need to make sure that your Windows Defender is active. Go to Windows Security and then Windows Defender Virus and Threat Protection. Make sure real-time protection is active and all of these options right here. Also make sure that you have the latest virus and threat protection updates. You can check for updates here. Now you can close this and download Malwarebytes. You can open the browser and search for Malwarebytes and then click on Malwarebytes free download. Then free download in here. Then wait for it and it will start downloading. Now you can open the installer here. And press install to install it and then choose personal and then skip this. Let's wait for it to download and install it. Now once the download is completed and installed, you can click open Malwarebytes and then click on scan now and it will start scanning your computer and it will show the item scanned number here and the detection number here if it detects any viruses. Now let's just wait for it. Now once the scan is completed, you will be prompted with any threats detected. Then you can simply select them all and then click on quarantine 11 items or however items, how many you found. And that should remove the viruses. Now click on next. You can simply close out of this now, and then a second step you can do is run the command run in here and then type mrt, press OK. Now let's wait for it to open, confirm the prompt, and then you should see this tool here, the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Remove tool. Press next and then select quick scan, next, and then wait for it to finish the scan. Now once the scan is completed, if there is any malicious software detected, you will be prompted to remove it, otherwise it will look like this. Then you can simply click finish, and then what you can do next is open the terminal or the CMD as admin, and then you can simply type this command sfc /scan now and then press enter, and this will scan the system files and repair any corrupted files if it finds any. And now once this is completed, you can simply reboot your computer and that should remove mostly any Trojan viruses. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.